View artwork in Adobe Illustrator. Specify document setup options. At any point you can change your document's default setup options for units of measure, transparency, grid display, background color, and type settings such as language, quote style, superscript and subscript size, bleeds, and exportability. The Edit Artboards button closes this dialog box and activates the Artboard tool. Choose File Document Setup or click the Document Setup button in the control panel. This button is available when nothing is selected. Specify options as desired. If you want to edit artboards, for example, to change from portrait to landscape orientation, click Edit Artboards to enter artboard editing mode. Note: the Simulate Colored Paper option is useful if you plan to print the document on colored paper. For example, if you draw a blue object on a yellow background, the object appears green. The simulation is only performed when the transparency grid is not shown. Thanks for watching. ITMaster channel.